Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Brex to your US bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Brex account. Navigate to the dashboard where your account details are displayed. Locate and click on the Funds tab in the menu. Select the Withdraw option for transferring money. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Brex account. Choose the US bank account where you want the funds to be sent. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so at this stage. Fill in the necessary banking information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid any issues with the transfer. Once you have confirmed your bank information, proceed to review your withdrawal details. Check that all the information displayed is correct and corresponds to your intended transaction. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Typically, withdrawals to US bank accounts take a few business days to process. Monitor your bank account to confirm that the funds have arrived. If there are any issues, contact Brex customer support for assistance. Stay informed about any potential fees associated with withdrawals. Ensure your Brex account is in good standing to avoid delays in processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.